Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
It is defined as the transformation of chemical substance into another chemical substance is known as chemical reaction. Whenever the nature and identity of initial chemical substance changes, chemical reaction occurs. Some activities showing chemical reaction. Activity 1. Clean a 2 cm long magnesium ribbon by rubbing it with sandpaper. Hold it with tongs. Burn it using spirit lamp and collect the ash formed in watch glass. Observation. Magnesium ribbon is burned and transformed to ash. That is, change in state. Therefore, it is a chemical reaction.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Activity 2. Take lead nitrate solution. Add potassium iodide solution with lead nitrate solution. Observation. After adding lead nitrate and potassium iodide, solution changes to yellow color, that is, change in color. Therefore, it is a chemical reaction. Activity 3. Take some zinc granules in a conical flask or in a test tube and then add dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid to it. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas are formed. Here, zinc reacted with dilute sulfuric acid to give zinc chloride and H2 gas. In this reaction, sulfuric acid is added to zinc granules, due to which gas has been evolved and change in temperature takes place, which specify it is a chemical reaction.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is the symbolic representation of physical state of reactants and products. Reactant. The substance that undergo chemical change in the reaction are called reactant. Products. The substances that are formed during the reaction are called products. In any chemical equation, reactant is in left hand side and product is in right hand side.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Arrow point towards the product and shows the direction of reaction. Skeletal chemical equation. Mg plus O2 is MgO. That is, in this equation, elements on reactant side is not equal to elements on product side. Such chemical equations are called as skeletal chemical equations. Balanced chemical equation. It is a type of chemical equation in which number of atoms of each elements on reactant side is equal to atoms of each elements on product side. For example, Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. For balanced chemical equation, number of atoms of each element in LHS is equal to number of atoms of each element in RHS. As shown in example, elements on reactant side is equal to elements on product side. That is, both side of elements of zinc is 1, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1 and oxygen is 4.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Points to remember before balancing the chemical equation. First, mass of elements in reactant side is equal to mass of elements in product side. Second, do not change anything inside the boxes while balancing the equation. Third, it is often convenient to start balancing with compound containing maximum number of atoms. Fourth, to make chemical equation more informative, write the physical state of substance in it, that is, gaseous state, liquid state, solid state, aqueous state, precipitate. Fifth, the reaction condition such as temperature, pressure are written above or below the arrow of chemical equation.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Balance the following chemical equation. That is, Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 1. Draw boxes around each formula. Step 2. List number of atoms of different elements present in unbalanced equation. Step 3. As oxygen has maximum atoms, select Fe3O4 and element oxygen in it for balancing. To balance oxygen atoms, we have to consider atoms of oxygen in reactants and products. To balance oxygen atoms, put coefficient 4 as 4H2O and not H2O4 or H2O whole 4. So, partly balanced equation becomes Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 4. Fe and H atoms are still not balanced.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
To balance H atoms, make number of molecules of hydrogen as 4 on RHS. So, partly balanced equation becomes Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Fe is still not balanced. So, to balance the Fe atoms, we need to take 3 atoms of Fe on LHS.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now, check the correctness of balanced equation, which is balanced now. This method of balancing the chemical equation is called heat and trial method. Step 7. To make chemical equation more informative, write symbols of physical states of each type. So finally, we balanced the chemical equation.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Combination reaction. Reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants. Examples: burning of coal, that is C plus O2 gives CO2. Formation of water, that is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Formation of slaked lime. Take small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker. Slowly add water to this. Calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime. A large amount of heat is evolved. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form single product, calcium hydroxide. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH2.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Exothermic reaction. Reactions in which heat is released along with formation of products are called exothermic reactions. Examples: burning of natural gas, that is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Respiration. During digestion, food gets broken into simpler substances. These carbohydrates are broken into glucose. Glucose combines with oxygen to provide energy.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
That is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Decomposition reaction. Reaction in which a single substance decomposes to give two or more substances. Example: take about 2 gram ferrous sulphate crystals in dry boiling tube. Note down color of ferrous sulphate crystals. Heat boiling tube over flame of spirit lamp. Ferrous sulphate crystals lose water on heating and crystal color changes.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Green color crystals of ferrous sulphate has changed. It then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. 2FeSO4 in presence of heat gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Thermal decomposition reaction.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. Example 1. Decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is lime or quicklime used in manufacture of cement. That is, CaCO3 in presence of heat gives CaO plus CO2. Take 2 gram lead nitrate powder in a boiling tube. Hold boiling tube with pair of tongs and heat it over the flame. The emission of brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, NO2, takes place.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
2PbNO3 in presence of heat gives 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Endothermic reactions. Reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. Example: take 2 gram silver chloride in china dish. Note down white color of silver chloride. Place china dish in sunlight for some time.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Notice that white silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. This reaction is used in black and white photography. 2AgCl in presence of sunlight gives 2Ag plus Cl2.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Displacement reaction. In a reaction, when an element displaces another element from its compound, it is called displacement reaction. With copper sulphate, take 3 iron nails and clean them by rubbing with sandpaper. Take 2 test tubes and mark them as A and B.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In each test tube, take about 10 ml copper sulphate solution. Tie 2 iron nails with thread and immerse them in copper sulphate solution in test tube B for 20 minutes. Keep 1 iron nail aside for comparison. After 20 minutes, take out nails from B and compare intensity of copper sulphate solution in test tube A and B. Blue color of copper sulphate solution fades away and iron nail becomes brownish in color.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In this, iron has displaced or removed copper from copper sulphate solution. Reaction representation. Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Zinc with copper sulphate. Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Double displacement reaction. Reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms, that is ions, are exchanged. For example, sodium sulphate and barium chloride. Take about 3 ml of sodium sulphate solution in test tube. In another test tube, take 3 ml of barium chloride solution. Mix the two solutions. A white insoluble BaSO4 is formed. Other product formed is sodium chloride, that is NaCl, which remains in the solution.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Reaction representation. Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Precipitation reaction. Any reaction that produces a precipitate, that is insoluble salts. For example, sodium sulphate and barium chloride. When we mix sodium sulphate solution to barium chloride solution, white insoluble barium sulphate, that is BaSO4, is formed. Reaction representation. Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Oxidation reaction. Gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen is oxidation reaction. For example, copper. Heat a china dish containing 1 gram copper powder. Notice that surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. This is because oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
2Cu plus O2 in presence of heat gives 2CuO. Reduction reaction. Gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen is reduction reaction. For example, copper oxide. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated CuO, black coating turns brown as reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. Reaction representation. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this, reduction reaction is taking place in copper and oxidation reaction is taking place in hydrogen. Redox reaction. Reaction in which one reactant gets oxidized while other gets reduced during a reaction are called as oxidation reduction or redox reactions. For example, zinc oxide. ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. In this reaction, carbon is oxidized to CO and ZnO is reduced to Zn.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For example, manganese oxide MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In this reaction, HCl is oxidized to Cl2, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. Effects of oxidation reaction. In everyday life, first, corrosion. When a metal is attacked by moisture, acids, etc., it is said to be corrode and process is corrosion.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, rusting of iron, black coating on silver. Corrosion damages car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, metal materials, specially made of iron. Second, rancidity. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Process is known as rancidity. Antioxidants are added to foods containing fats and oil to prevent oxidation.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.